Me and the Nissan have had some pretty good times. This Nissan gets 460 kilometers to about a $100 tank. I can't afford that. What I can afford though is a minivan. Let me introduce you to Gunther number 2. Perfect. Sounds good. Just drop it off there?
Yeah, just drop it off. It's flat along the driveway. You can
Sure.
just set it out.
Okay,
Don't even have to go in the gate.
just got a shelf for the van and made 10 bucks. Win-win. Making money going to the dump, baby. So, the reason that I wanted to show this was when you buy cheap vehicles, you can swap really easily if one breaks down. I think things are going pretty well, generally speaking. Perfect. Look at this. Just like new. I don't actually even know if this is gonna fit. You don't have a measuring tape, which I don't have one right now. Get a stick. About 2 of these. Oh, no money. I did measure with a stick. Look at it. And we're open for business. What? Alright, I got my first batch of what I would actually call like real vintage postcards. And they're incredible. We got the Parliament buildings in Victoria with a handwritten note on it from 1929. What? How is that even possible? Lumber yards always have amazing scrap pieces. Hell yeah. $1,000 beater. I ripped off my back bumper. If you don't ever have a flathead screwdriver on you, you can also use a dime. It was pulled before, it needs to be pushed. You might recognize this carpet, which I've had for probably 3 years. And I've had these sturdy old bins for 4. I'll have another post stamp. I will have another post stamp here video coming very shortly. If that was good timing. If you enjoyed, see you on the next video. Peace.